Hi everyone and welcome to this new video on how to use online advertising to grow your business. If you are an entrepreneur or a business owner, you have probably always been looking for effective ways to grow your business and reach new customers. That's why online advertising has become an essential tool to achieve your growth goals. Before we delve into the details of how to use online advertising, it's important to understand what it is. Online advertising is a type of advertising that is executed on the internet. This type of advertising can be done through various means, such as social media ads, banner ads, Google AdWords ads, and more. Online advertising works through the use of various targeting tools. These tools allow you to reach the right audience with the right message at the right time. For example, if you sell hair care products, you can use targeting tools to reach women between the ages of 25 and 45 who live in your area. To use online advertising effectively, you need to understand your audience and know what your goal is. For example, if you want to increase sales, you can use remarketing ads to reach people who have visited your website in the past and show them ads for the products they viewed. Alternatively, you can use social ads to reach new customers and build your online presence. To know if online advertising is working for your business, you need to measure the results. There are several metrics that you can use to evaluate the effectiveness of your advertising campaign, such as cost per click, CPC, cost per acquisition, CPA, and return on investment, ROI. By using these metrics, you can see which ads are performing best and make any necessary changes to your strategy. There are also some common mistakes that you need to avoid when using online advertising. For example, avoid making ads that are too generic and don't address the specific needs of your audience. Additionally, make sure not to overspend on your advertising budget, as you could end up spending too much for minimal results. In conclusion, online advertising is a powerful tool to grow your business and reach new customers. By using targeting tools, measuring results, and avoiding common mistakes, you can create an advertising campaign that works for you. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more similar content. See you next time.